Follow these popular POV TikTok accounts.
Hello, everyone. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most popular POV, point of view, TikTok accounts that you should definitely consider following. For those unfamiliar with the term, POV content is where the creator films their video from a first-person perspective, often creating immersive and engaging narratives. Let's dive in.
Who is the king of POV TikTok?
Without a doubt, the king of POV TikTok is at SpencerX. He is widely regarded as one of the pioneers of the POV style on TikTok. Known for his beatboxing skills, SpencerX blends this talent with POV style to deliver a truly unique content experience. His account is a must-follow if you're a fan of the POV style.
Who brings humor to POV TikTok?
When it comes to infusing humor into the POV style, Nathan Pilland is your go-to guy. Nathan Pilland takes everyday scenarios and adds a comedic twist to them, all while filming from a first-person perspective. His account is a great example of how humor can be incorporated into the POV style.
Who provides drama in POV TikTok?
If you're more into dramatic and intense content, then you should follow Chris Udala. Chris Udala is known for his mini-dramas filmed in POV style, keeping his audience on the edge of their seats. His gripping narratives and creative approach to storytelling set him apart in the TikTok community.
Who offers the best variety in POV TikTok?
For the best variety in POV content, consider following Kindle Harris. Kindle Harris delivers a mix of dance, comedy, and lifestyle content, all presented in the POV style. This variety ensures there's always something new and engaging to watch on her account. There you have it. These are some of the most popular POV TikTok accounts worth following for a unique and engaging content experience. Whether you're into beatboxing, humor, drama, or a mix of everything, these creators have got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've discovered some new TikTok accounts to enjoy.